In this lesson, I'm going to be showing you how to add grid lines to your project. So let's go ahead and get started here. As you can see, I have a blank page here. Now to add grid lines, I'm going to go over to File, and I'm going to go ahead and go to View Settings, and I'm going to hit Show Rulers and Guides. So click on that. There you go. Now you're going to see that we have new guides here on the screen. You can see, let me close this out. You can see that we have this ruler on the top here, and you also have a ruler on the side here. Now to add this grid lines, you're going to go ahead and go on the ruler and go right on the edge. You're going to see this double arrow, right? You're going to go ahead and click, drag, and drop that down. As you can see, now we have a grid line on here, and you can move this up or down if you want to. You can add as many of these as you want. So if I go up here again, see the double arrow, add another one here, can add another one here as well. So as many as you want. Now if you want to add another one here from the other direction, you can go over to the left side, and you're gonna go to the edge of the ruler until you see the double arrow line. Click, drag, and put that on the page here. So you can see you can add as many of these as you would like. Now to remove any of these, you can just select, go on the grid line itself until you see the double arrow, and you can just move this off the screen. Right, go ahead and move this off the screen. Move this off the screen. As you can see, it just disappears, okay, as you move this off the screen. Now that is pretty much it for this video. I'll see you guys on the next lesson.